Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to reply to a story from a highlight by avatar on Instagram. This updated method will help you engage with your friends or followers effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar home feed where you can scroll through posts and stories. Next, enter the profile that contains the story you want to reply to. You can do this by tapping on their profile picture or searching for their username in the search bar. Once you're on their profile, take a moment to look around. Now, under their bio, find the story from the highlight section. Highlights are those circular icons just below the bio, showcasing stories that users have saved. Tap on the highlight that interests you. This will open up the collection of stories they've saved. Once you're viewing the story you want to respond to, click on the sending message bar at the bottom of your screen. This is where you can type your message or send an emoji. But here's where it gets interesting. Choose the avatar option. This allows you to send a personalized avatar response, making your reply stand out. After selecting your avatar, feel free to add any additional text or emojis if you'd like. When you're ready, simply hit send. Your message will go directly to their inbox and they'll be able to see your response right away. And that's it. You've successfully replied to a story from a highlight using an avatar on Instagram. This feature not only makes interactions more fun, but also adds a personal touch to your conversations. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helps you connect better with your friends and followers on Instagram. Happy messaging!